Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon pizza using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need a pre-made pizza crust, about 4 ounces of delicious smoked salmon, and a block of cream cheese. Don't forget fresh dill, a bright lemon, and a 1/4 cup of briny capers. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, so let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare the base of our salmon pizza. Take your softened cream cheese, about 8 ounces, and spread it smoothly across the pre-made pizza crust. Aim for an even layer, reaching almost to the edges. Next, carefully lay your 4 ounces of smoked salmon slices over the cream cheese. Overlapping them slightly creates a beautiful presentation and ensures every bite is flavorful. This step is quick and sets the stage for our delicious toppings. With our salmon in place, it's time to add those vibrant fresh toppings. First, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill all over the salmon. Its herbaceous notes pair perfectly. Then, scatter a 1/4 cup of capers evenly across the pizza. Their briny pop adds a wonderful contrast. Finally, grate the zest of 1 whole lemon directly over everything. This adds a fantastic, bright aroma and a subtle citrusy lift that truly elevates the dish. Our easy salmon pizza is almost ready to enjoy. Once all your toppings are on, it's time for the final touches. Using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, carefully slice your pizza into 8 equal pieces. For an extra touch of elegance, you can add a small sprig of fresh dill to each slice before serving. This pizza is best enjoyed fresh, so serve it right away as a fantastic appetizer or a light, satisfying meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.